Hey, quick question. Do you sell anything online? Shopify, Amazon, Walmart, eBay, Etsy, Alibaba? Then you know the pain. Product photos, bad lighting, messy background, phone photo that just doesn't look professional. Today I'm showing you a tool that fixes that. All 9 types of professional product images from your phone photo, completely free. Let's go. Go to ListingRoom.ai. This tool takes a simple photo you shot at home and turns it into a professional studio image. Your first 5 images are free. Let me show you all styles. 9 different products. Go to the login page. Continue with Google. Click it, pick your account, and done. This is a welcome screen. You can already see the kind of output Listing Room produces. 3 easy steps. Upload photo, describe, and review and generate. Let's start. Style 1, main image, product, glass tumbler. Step 1, upload photo. Step 2, pick category, kitchen and home. Step 3, choose style, main image. Step 4, description, add description. Step 5, configure. First understand, what is variance? This controls how many different image versions the AI generates for you. So if you pick 3 variants, you get 3 slightly different results from the different settings. Pick whichever looks best. Now the style, background, white. Shadow, soft, gives the glass a natural, grounded feel. And if you want a specific background, scene, color, or any custom detail, there's a custom note field for that. For now, I'm skipping it. Select photo. Step 6, generate. 1 image. Click generate. Now, real talk. This takes around 2 to 3 minutes to generate. I'm not going to make you watch a processing, so I've skipped ahead to the result. Look at that. Clean white background, perfect lighting, the custom name and every detail, razor sharp. Style 2, lifestyle. Product, a wedding guest gift, soy candle with daisy flowers. Configure, time of day, anytime, color, theme, warm. Props, level, moderate. Select photo, generate. Candle, warm amber light, daisies beside it on a wooden surface. Cozy and aspirational. This is the image that sells the feeling, not just the product. Style 3, with model. Product, elegant blue gradient floral rimless sunglasses. Configure. Gender, female. Age group, adult. Ethnicity, Caucasian. Expression, natural. Focus, balanced. Both the model and the frame stay sharp. Select all 3 photos. Generate. An elegant woman, soft outdoor light, blue gradient frame sitting perfectly on her face. The buyer instantly imagines wearing it. That's what drives the purchase. Style 4, feature callouts. Product, wireless Bluetooth earbuds. Configure, add feature, select photo, generate. Five labeled arrows. Every feature called out clearly. Style 5, utility view. Product, personalized toddler backpack. Configure, add utility, select photo, generate. Every compartment labeled and visible. Parents' biggest question, what fits inside? Answered visually, in 1 image. Style 6, zoom details. Product, a cherry blossom branch wrap ring. Configure, zoom, count, 3 close-up view. Select photo, generate. 3 close view. The craftsmanship is fully visible. This is what turns a handmade ring into a premium product in the buyer's mind. Style 7, how to use. Product, Vitamin C, face serum. Configure, heading, how to use. Add steps, layout, numeric. Generate. 4 numbered steps. Clean visual with each one. First-time buyers love this. It removes uncertainty, and uncertainty is what stops purchases. Style 8, size view, product, a personalized mandala flower yoga mat. Configure, heading, yoga mat, size. Select unit inch, height, 68. Width, 24. Depth. Select photo, generate. Every dimension labeled. No more guessing. No more returns because it was smaller than I expected. Style 9, custom, product, pure mulberry silk scrunchie. This style is for anything the other 8 style don't cover. You describe exactly what you want. Configure. Add custom note. Select photo. Generate. You described it. In different colors, perfectly arranged, luxurious silk texture visible. One image, your entire product range. Not happy with the first result? No problem. Every generated image has a regenerate button. Just click it. A box pops up. You can add a note, anything you want to refine, or leave it blank and let the AI take a completely fresh run with the same settings. Confirm. Same product, same style, better result. Keep regenerating until you love it. Every image type your listing needs. Go try it right now. ListingRoom.ai. If this saved you time, hit the like button. It helps more sellers find this video. Drop your generated image in the comments. I genuinely want to see what you created. Share this with a friend who sells online. You could save them hours of work. And hit subscribe. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.